So we're in the process of replacing the EGR cooler. It's on a MaxxForce DT 2010. We've had several of these fail, and the main cause is air in the coolant, I've been told, which makes sense. Just all the heat that goes on. And we got to monitor the coolant, the chemical balance and everything. And it's a big job getting to it. It's a huge cooler. I don't know how heavy it is, but it's your larger than average EGR cooler for sure. So it's a lot of downtime, and what happened, it pressurized the cooling system and blew out the surge tank. So we limped it home, pulled the cap off the surge tank and limped it home, and we also have to replace the coolant and the engine oil because it's going to get in contamination for sure. And while we're in here, we're going to do the engine crankcase breather. Much easier, everything's out of the way. And exhaust manifold gaskets. And once we reassemble, we'll be back to square one again and ready to roll.